Greetings of the day. Today's topic is pressure exerted by liquids. Like solids, liquid also have weight which exert downward pressure. So when we pour liquid into a container, then the weight of liquid pushes down on the base of the container, producing pressure. The pressure exerted by a liquid is force by area. In this case, the force is the weight of the liquid and area is the base of the container in which the liquid is placed. There are certain characteristics of pressure exerted by a liquid. These are as follows. First, pressure exerted by a liquid at the bottom of the container depend on the height of its column. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Take a glass tube, open at both ends, close one of its ends with the balloon, fill water in the tube from the other end. What happens? You will see the size of balloon increases. Pour more water and keep observing the size of the balloon. You will see that as water is added to the tube, the balloon starts to bulge. This bulge of the balloon goes on increasing as we go on increasing the water level. This activity shows that the liquid exerts pressure in downward direction and the pressure exerted by a liquid at the bottom depends on the height of its column. Second, liquid exerts pressure on the walls of the container. Let us perform an activity. Take a waste plastic bottle and make a hole at its bottom. Insert a tube in the hole horizontally to make with the tap-like opening at the side. Tie a balloon to the opening. What do you observe? You will notice that the balloon bulges outwards. This shows that the liquids exert pressure not only the base of the container but also sidewise on the walls of the container. Third is liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Let us perform an activity. Take an empty plastic bottle and make holes near the bottom of the bottle. Make sure that the holes are at the same height from the bottom. Now fill the bottle with water. What happens? We will see that the water comes out with equal force from the holes. This activity shows that liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. Fourth characteristic is the pressure exerted by a liquid increases with depth. Let us understand this with the help of an activity. Take an empty plastic bottle and make 3 holes of equal size at 3 different heights from the bottom of the bottle. Fill the bottle with water. We can see that jets of water comes out from the holes. You can notice that the lowest jet throws water the furthest, while the one on the top throws water near the bottle. This shows that the pressure in a liquid increases with the increasing depth. Liquid pressure depends on various factors like density of the liquid, depth of the liquid. A manometer is the device used to measure the liquid pressure. Applications of liquid pressure. First, the walls of a dam is made thicker at the bottom. The reason is the pressure exerted by a liquid increases with its depth. A thicker wall is required to withstand a greater pressure, and therefore the walls of the dam is made with thickness increasing towards the base. Second is, in public water supply system, water from rivers is pumped to water treatment plant. After treatment, the water is pumped up to water storage tank situated higher than the houses in that area. A water tank is usually built on the terrace or at the top of the house to store water and maintain constant water pressure. This is because greater the height of the tank, greater will be the pressure of water in the taps of the houses. That's all for today. Thank you.